Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Motorola G84, and I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port on this device using household items. To do it, first you need to take off the cover. So to take the cover off, first you need to just take the cover off. And then I suggest you use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. Oh, it's so pretty. So I suggest you use old toothbrush because with toothbrush you can't damage your USB charging port because it's soft and it's plastic. So never use metal objects to the connector. Insert the one part of the brush to the connector and just brush the dirt out. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you!